What's going on, guys? Today we're going to do a mirror cap change and the LED or the turn signal. We're going to change out two of those things today. Let me get the parts and let me show the tools you're going to need. Alright, so the tools that I believe you're going to need the trim tool piece. You're probably going to need this tool that comes with your turn signal, so you can disconnect it from these holes. And when you pop it in, headlight mirror cap, it will go in like so. It will look just like this. It's going to look great. So this is going to be LED, so it's going to highlight from here to the side. So we're going to start by taking off this. So I'm putting on gloves because I don't want to damage the mirror with my fingers, and I also don't want to leave any sort of stains or residue. That I were told, push in here, pull in here and not break the glass. That's going to be the key part. So let's see if I can get this on film. I don't think I can, but we'll see what we can do anyway. It's hard to get things in and not hurt or damage your glass. It's difficult, but out. So one clip is here, it's hard to see, and the other clip is looking to be here. This looks like it might be already broken from previous owner. It's in the corner, but let's get this off. So we want to pop it down. Okay, pop it down. Let me get this off camera. Identical to what I will be doing. And now I'm going to tackle these bolts and then disconnect. Okay, with your piece, disconnect from here. Gave me a little difficulty, kind of snapped a little bit at the bottom, but it's okay. Going forward anyway, so there's the new one. Fit right in here, just as the other one did. See, so pop this new one in. Connecting, but I'm going to have to do that off camera again. Put these two bolts in. Alright, to confirm that it's plugged in, as you see, here it is. Turn signal installed. Now let's pop the screws in, cover it up. Alright, getting these bolts back in. This one was a little bit more problematic, as you can see from the light. This one is easy. Putting it on right now. So my issue was this top clip, but here it is on flush. Good. Lines. The clip snapped in. Here. Go ahead and use the pick. Get this one to pop just enough. It's not on place. So put this back on. Careful. All right, pushing popped. done. And then I will fix this and make sure that the mirror works great again. Otherwise, yeah, pretty good. And LED turn signal. So, all right, here's the clip to show the headlight is working and the mirror is also as well. Show you working in full motion. Here it is. How it is working in full motion. Looks great. Signal works great. Lit. I thought it was going to be smoked. This is even better than I thought. So this is just your passenger side. We're going to tackle the driver's side. Okay, now we are going to the driver's side. Forgetting that I have my torque splits and the step down and my electric wrench. This is 3 times 100. The other one was extremely difficult. So, alright, off camera time. Alright, so this snaps in. It's weird how it pops in and out, but got it in. I'll tighten it down. Put this in. That's already set. So I'll figure it out in a second. Start putting screws in. Just a second as well. Let me see if I can get it. Alright, that clip is on. Looks like I got it to fit, but what I have to do, I'm going to pop this back in right now, get this where it's got to go. firm pressing. Be like that's it. It's on. It's like going anywhere. Let's try that now. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.